everybody. I'm Mr. Whump from UME Academy. I'm just a regular sock puppet with a love for video games, and now I've got my own show. The idea is really simple. Every episode, I'm going to play a popular video game. Then I'm going to make my own game at UME Academy, and I'll decide which game I like best. Today, we're going to be playing Phasmophobia. It's a spooky ghost hunting game, but I ain't afraid of no ghosts. That's not trademarked, is it? Is it going to cost us anything? Oh, well, edit it out later. Let's get started playing Phasmophobia. When you start the game, you're going to be in a safe space where you're able to look up some clues about the ghost. There's a lot of info here. I don't know if I can remember all this. Then you got to pick your equipment. There's a whole bunch of stuff here. I don't know what any of this does. That looks like an electric toothbrush. Let's go with that. Kids, always take care of your teeth. We're going to spend a lot of time walking around in the dark in a spooky location. The object of the game is to find evidence of the ghost and then escape with your life. It's definitely creepy. The lighting is very spooky. I feel like I'm really in a haunted house. So many weird sounds. So what's with the ghosts already? I heard that you can actually make the ghosts appear if you say their name. I think they told me the name at the beginning, but I wasn't paying attention. Let's just say some random names and see if we get any reaction. Michael? Jeremy? Philip? Jeffrey? Tony? Something happened. I heard something. Did you hear something? Tony? Holy smokes. What's that? Oh, come on. What's that? Oh, come on. No. This is too much for me. Let's find someplace to hide. I'm not coming out of here till the ghost is gone. Is it safe? Let's open the door. Ah! Tony, I'm sorry. Tony, oh, come on. Well, that was Phasmophobia. Definitely scary, very immersive. Sound effects were great. I was terrified. I give it a thumbs up. Now I'm going to make my own game over at UME Academy's Creator Club. Creator Club's great. It's got a huge library of game assets for me to choose from. Here, I'm going to pick her to be my player. And let's see what kind of scary stuff we've got. Oh, wolves. Wolves are very scary. Particularly for me because I'm practically a chew toy. I want to add an extra wolf. Oh, look at those eyes. Those are the eyes of a cold-blooded killer. Very scary. What else can I put in here? Bats? Whew, let's add another one of those. Bats are spooky. Spider! Whew, that's really scary. And for the grand finale, how about a skeleton? That guy's really creepy. Check him out. And then let's put a treasure chest at the end. Get the treasure chest, you win the game. Let's try it out. Run. Get ahead of the wolves. Hey, watch out for the bats. Duck, spider. It's a skeleton. Run. And we did it. Awesome. So it's showdown time. Which game did I like best? Well, Phasmophobia was creepy. It was definitely very spooky, wonderfully immersive. I loved it. But my game had more than just ghosts. I had wolves, bats, spiders, skeleton, and a treasure chest at the end. I pick my game because it was cool and because I made it. You can make your own games too at UME Academy's Creator Club. Come check it out. I can't wait to see what you can make. See you next time.